Hello, good day. Today I am going to discuss about stack. So, a stack is a fundamental data structure that follows the last in, first out principle. It represents the collection of elements where the last element added is the first one to be removed. So, a stack though is a fundamental data structure in computer science. And imagine a stack like a pile of books on your desk. You can only add a book on top, and when you remove a book, you can also take it from the top. This is exactly how a stack works. It follows the last in, first out principle, meaning the last element added is the first one to be removed. Stacks are widely used in computer science and programming due to their simplicity and efficiency. They are used in various applications such as expression, evaluation, functional call, stack management, undo operation, and more. So we will explore the concept of stack operation, push, pop, and pick, and stack implementation using ARI and linked list. So stack DAO is used in many programming tasks such as evaluating arithmetic expressions, managing function calls, implementing undo operations, and even solving puzzles like using backtracking. So the stack operations, the push, pop, and pick. The stack DAO supports the following operation. Push. The push operations add an element to the top of the stack, and the new element becomes the topmost element in the stack. So the push operation now adds a new element to the top of the stack. So think of it as putting a plate on a stack of plates or putting a book on a box or putting a book to the putting a book or putting the book inside a container or box. The pop operation. The pop operation removes the topmost element from the stack. After the removal, the new element becomes the new top of the stack. So imagine we put the first book, we push the book, one book, we push it first, then nag-push na sa tag second book, and then nag-push na sa taog third book. So the third book is our topmost or becomes our topmost element sa atong stack. And nagpop ta, naggamit pop operation. So gi-remove niya ang ikatulo nga book nga atong gi-push. So na-remove na. So ang sud na lang sa atong box is duha ka book. So ang second book nga atong gi-push mao na ang na-become or na becomes the new top sa atong stack. So next is peak. The peak operation allows you to view the topmost element of the stack without removing it. It is useful for inspecting the element or performing certain check. So the peak operation though lets you see what is on top without removing it. Besides this, we can also check if the stack is empty or full, which is especially important in siya when using arrays because they have a fixed size. So the stack implementation, the array base and the linked list base. So stacks can be implemented using either arrays or linked lists. So first, array-based stack implementation. In an array-based stack implementation, an array is used to store the elements. The top of the stack is represented by an index variable that points to the last element in the array. So, um, The stack implemented using arrays. An array is like a row of boxes, each capable of holding one element. We also have variable called top, which points to the topmost element in the stack. And when we push, we increase the top index by 1 and place the element in the array at that position. And when we pop or mogamit tag pop operation, we remove the element from the top index and decrease the top. And the peak simply pangit or mukita lang siya sa element sa top index without removing it. So diri natay example sa array based stack. So first, we include stdio.h so that we can print things, and the stdlib or stdlibrary.h for general standard functions. Even though for arrays we don't strictly need dynamic memory, it's good i-include na siya. Then, tapos we define the maximum size for the stack using define max height 100. This is important kay para ang ari nato or because ang ari nato kay naa siya fixed size. So we need to know how many elements the stack the stack can hold. So mura na siya og fixed row of boxes, so each row can hold one number. Next, we create a structure called stack. So inside this structure, we have the data max size, which is the array that stores all the elements, and top, which is an integer variable that tells us where the top of the stack is. So when we start, the top is -1, which is simply means ang atong stack is empty. So empty pa nga sud sa atong stack. So the push function is it adds a new element to the stack. First, nato gibuhat niya is gi-check if top has reached max size -1. If yes, meaning ang atong stack is puno na. And then, i-print niya ang stack overflow. So, i-prevent na siya sa atong program from crashing if we try to add too many elements. If there's space, we increase the top by 1 and put the new element into that position. So basically we're saying uy naay here a new number diri. Put it on top of the stack. So mura siya og nagbutang ka og bagong book or plate sa ibabaw sa pile sa atong book or sa atong plate. So the pop function. So the pop function na to is it removes the top element. So before we remove anything, i-check sa if top is -1 or equal to -1. If yes, the stack is empty, we print stack underflow. Otherwise, if we take the element at top, return it and decrease the top by 1. So this removes the last element we added following the katong LIFO principle, the last in and first out. Next is the pick function. So it shows the element at the top without removing it. So this is useful kung gusto lang nimo makita kung unsay naa sa ibabaw without checking or changing sa stack. Next is the main function. We start by initializing the top to -1. Then we push numbers. First gi-push niya ang 1, then 2, then 3. So ang 1, mao na ang first nga atong gi-push, then na siya sa pinaka-bottom sa atong stack, and 3 kay pinaka-igbaw. Since the 3 is the last element nga atong gi-add, if mag-pop data. Ang tree or the topmost kay ma-remove and the second nga atong gi-push ang 2 mo na siya ang bag-ong top nato. So ang pinaka-last nimong gibutang mao ang pinakauna nimo kuhaon. So ang output ana is peak nato 3 pop. Ang pop or i-remove niya is T and peak nga atong bag-ong kanang top is 2. So mo na siya. The linked list based stack implementation. So the linked list based stack implementation is used to store the elements. The top of the stack is represented by the head of the linked list. So nata example diri So instead of using an array, each element is stored in a node. So each node has two parts: data, which stores the value, and next, which points to the next node. So, which points to the next node? Ang top sa stack, mao na ang head node nato. So, we include stdioh to print outputs and stdlibrary-h because we need malloc and to free allocate and free memory dynamically. So the push function works like we create a new node using malloc and store the value in new node data. Then we point new node next to the current top node. And finally, gi-update na to ang top para mahimo na siya og new node. So, sa ato pa, the new element is now sa top and the old top is na push down. So, mo siya og nagbutang ka og new plate sa ibabaw sa pile ug ang daan nga top na sa ubos nato. So, the pop function removes the top element. First, we check if top is null. Kung yes, it means nga ang atong stack is empty and i-print niya ang stack underflow. Ug dili, i-save niya ang current top node sa temporary variable. So, i-move the top to the next node, free the old node memory, and it returns the data. So, sa pick function, kay gishow niya ang data sa top node without removing it. So, if the stack is empty, giprint niya ang message nga and it returns -1. So the main function, we initialize the stack by setting top to null or setting top is equal to null. Then we push 1, then push 2 and the 3. And if ang ato output ana, if we pick kitaon lang without removing, we see 3. Ug ang if we pop nato, 3 is removed and 2 becomes the new top nato. Unlike arrays, linked lists don't have a fixed size. So, pwede nato siya mag-add ta og we keep adding elements as long as ang allow sa ato memory. So, natay application and use cases sa stack. So, stack daw have numerous application and use cases due to their last in first out behavior. Some common application include expression evaluation, function call stack, undo operation, backtracking, and memory management. So sa expression evaluation is stackdar are used to evaluate arithmetic expression, handle operator precedence, and perform infix to postfix conversation. So stack helps computer calculation at arithmetic expression correctly and convert in fix to postfix. So next is function call stack. So stack manage function calls and their local variables, ensuring proper execution and handling of nested function calls. So the function calls stack manage function execution, and local variables, ensuring a nested function nato kay mag-work properly. And then sa undo operation kay stack are used to implement undo functionality in text editors, software application, and interactive environment. So, like pressing like Control Z in text editor, stack store previous action so they can be undone in reverse order. So, pwede siya nimo balik. So, stack are you also essential sa backtracking and such as utilize siya sa algorithms that requires backtracking such as maze solving and depth first search such as solving mazes or puzzle. Next and is memory management. So memory management is where the function activation records kay gistore sa atong stack during program execution. So in conclusion, a stack is a simple but versatile or powerful linear data structure nga nagfollow sa last in first out principle. Its main operation kay ang push, pop, and pick. So, ang stacks can be implemented using arrays which are fixed in size pero paspas or linked list which are dynamic but mag-use siya og extra memory. Stocks are widely used in function management, expression evaluation, undo operation, backtracking, and memory management. Kung ato ni visualize ang stack, it's like a pile of books or plato na atong gi-push, pop, and pick. So, that's all for my topic.